To enable the AI models from Anthropic in Microsoft 365 Copilot, you navigate to admin.cloud.microsoft. Then you go up to Copilot, click Settings. Here you want to go to View All and scroll a little bit down. The first thing we're going through is the AI providers operating as Microsoft sub-processors. This allows Anthropic as a sub-processor in Copilot. This is the backend, which is Microsoft's responsibility. Make sure that you have enabled it here. Let me close it. Then you go down to AI providers for other large language model. This allows users to connect to and use Anthropic's models directly outside the Microsoft managed flows. This is your responsibility. This is the front end. We can also allow it here. Finally, many of the Anthropic features are so-called frontier features, meaning that they are early preview features. Here you go to Copilot Frontier, also in the View All. First of all, the web apps. This is, for example, the 365 Copilot, but also the browser version of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. Here I picked all users, but you can also pick specific users or groups. Finally, the desktop and mobile apps. Here I can also allow the frontier things. You want to join the Microsoft 365 inside a program, and that is easy. We just open up, for example, here my Excel. Then I go to Account. Up in the Update channel, go click here and say I will manage my Microsoft 365 Apps Update channel. And down here in this, you will choose the Beta channel. You will now have the latest frontier updates, including the Anthropic models after watching this video.